Hello and welcome to the Maroochydore Minute. My name's Dan Sowden. Thanks for joining me. One of the big questions we're asked in the real estate cycle is, why is the rental market on the Sunshine Coast so tight? In other words, why is it so difficult to find a rental property? Why are vacancy rates so low? And certainly, why are rental rates always seem to be on the rise? Well, one of the big indicators we look for comes from the sales market, which is who's actually buying the real estate. Are they owner-occupiers buying the real estate, or are they investors? Now, if you remember back to the post-GFC days, the investors and owner-occupiers were probably buying at a 50-50 relationship. In other cases, investors were buying 50% of the real estate and then turning those properties around and placing them back into the rental market. Right now, in the last quarter, owner-occupiers are winning the race. On 82% of occasions, owner-occupiers are winning the race to the contract. They're outbidding the investors at auctions. They're certainly out-offering the investors in the private treaty negotiations. And indeed, buyers who are looking to owner-occupy are spending a little bit more emotional money at the moment to secure their real estate. So simply, investors are not getting a look in when it comes to the sales market. That in turn means that there are less properties coming onto the rent list. And certainly any properties that are in our existing rental portfolio that do come to the market, in other words, investors that are looking at selling their real estate, well, again, owner-occupiers are winning the race to that particular property once again. So there's simply less properties available from a rental point of view. When will it end? Well, certainly, I think it will only end as investors move back into the real estate climate and they start winning the race at the auctions and indeed winning the race on the private treaty negotiations. We're going to see a tight rental market for some time to come without new supply and without new development happening right now. It is going to take some time, I think, until we have some availability again in rental properties. Well, I hope you found this interesting. My name's Dan Sowden from Ray White. Thanks for joining me, and we'll talk to you again soon.